Good morning, everyone. So, in chapter 5, we have completed two exercises, exercise 5.1 and 5.2. Yesterday, we just started exercise 5.3, in which we took the topic addition of algebraic expressions. Okay. Yesterday, we also did A part of question 1 of exercise 5.3. Fine. So, sorry, b part we have done, and A and C part I have given in the homework. So if any student is having problem in A and C part, please tell me. So the A part of question number 1, exercise 5.3. Okay, you are having problem in A part is x square, 5x square, 7x square, and minus 2x square. Okay, so you have to just add these four terms. First of all, you have to see whether they are like terms or not. Then please tell me, Raksha, are they like terms? Yes, these all are like terms. So I told you, first of all, put plus sign between them because we have to add them. So just like we will put plus sign between these four algebraic expressions, then just you should have open this bracket. You know, when opposite signs get multiplied, negative sign will come. Okay, so I told you how to add these algebraic expressions. X square, this part is same in all four terms, so just write x square as it is, the variable, and just add or subtract the constants. Here you can see in the first term no constant is present, so we will assume it as 1 into x square. Okay, so it will be 1 plus 5 plus 7 minus. Okay, so it will be 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 minus 2 is 11, x square will be the answer. Okay, fine now. Okay, okay beta. Look at C part now. 5xy minus 3xy and 7x square y. Okay, so here you can see these two terms are like terms and this one is unlike term. Okay, so write like terms together. I have written them together, and plus 7x square y. First of all, we have to put plus sign between them. Now it will be 5xy plus minus will get minus 3xy plus 7x square y. Now if we want to subtract these, because one is positive, one is negative, they will get subtracted. Write the variable part as it is. It will be xy, and 5 minus 3 is 2 only, plus 7x square y. Why we are not adding this term into this? Because both are unlike terms, and yesterday I told you unlike terms cannot be added. ठीक है, ओनली लाइक टर्म्स को हमें ऐड करना है, अनलाइक टर्म्स ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो इट विल बी एज इट इज, इसका कुछ नहीं होगा इस क्वेश्चन में. यही थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करता है कि मैम इसका क्या होगा. इसका कुछ नहीं होगा, ये एज इट इज लिखा जाएगा क्योंकि इसके लिए कोई लाइक टर्म यहाँ पे मौजूद नहीं है. ओके, so these were A and C part of question 1. Let us start today with question number 2, C part. Find the sum of polynomials. Polynomials are given to you and you have to find their sum. So first, कल आप लोगों ने बोला था कि मैम कॉलम मेथड भी बताइए. पहले मैं आज आपको दोनों मेथड से सॉल्व करके बता रही हूँ क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड. ओके, so in the horizontal method, you know, we have to just put plus sign between these two polynomials. First write the first polynomial, 5x square y minus 3xy square plus 2y square. Then plus sign and the other polynomial will come, 5y square plus 7x square y minus 3xy square. This was the first step. Okay, now write like terms together. First term is 5x square y. So we have to find the like term for this term 5x square y. Which one it will be? Tell me, students. For the 5x square y, the like term is 7x square y because their variable parts are same. X square y. Okay. For the second term, minus 3xy square. The other like term will be again minus 3xy square because in the both terms variable parts are same. xy square. बेटा ये x स्क्वायर y और x y स्क्वायर में कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस आप यहाँ पे इनकी पावर्स देखिए, ठीक है। ऐसा नहीं कि इसको इसके साथ लिख दिया और इसको इसके साथ लिख दिया, ठीक है। यहाँ पे x की पावर 1 है, यहाँ भी x की पावर 1 है, यहाँ y की पावर 2 है, यहाँ भी y की पावर 2 है। तो दिस इज द मेथड टू सी वेदर द टर्म्स आर लाइक और नॉट। Then the third term, it is 2y square plus 2y square. Now you can easily see only one term is remaining, 5y square. Yes, good Anika. So plus 5y square will be the like term for this term 2y square. Good Kshitij. So now we have written all like terms together. Okay, this is we are doing horizontal method. Fine. So just write the वेरिएबल एज इट इज ऑफ लाइक टर्म्स में वेरिएबल है एक्स स्क्वायर वाई, उसे एज इट इज लिख दिया। 5 + 7 विल बी 12 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई। ओके, अगेन इन दी थर्ड एंड फोर्थ लाइक टर्म्स write the variable part as it is xy square and you know signs of both terms are same, they will get added। दोनों ही नेगेटिव है तो ऐड करना है। 3 + 3 is 6। as you can see both are negative so sign will become negative। यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हैं बेटा, ऐड कर रहे हैं। मल्टीप्लिकेशन में माइनस एंड माइनस विल गेट पॉजिटिव, बट व्हेन वी ऐड तो जो बड़ा नंबर होता है उसका साइन आता है। यहाँ पे दोनों ही नंबर्स इक्वल हैं सो माइनस साइन विल कम ओवर देयर। ओके, देन sorry, fifth and sixth terms are like terms, so write the variable part as it is y square। Constants are +2 and +5, it will be +7। So this will be the resultant answer for the addition of these two algebraic expressions। Yet good students, now you got it how to add algebraic expressions। This is horizontal method। What have we done? First of all, put plus sign between the given polynomials, then write their like terms together and then add or subtract them according to their sign। Okay, so this was the C part। now I will tell you how to do this addition with vertical method। in vertical method you have to write first of all the first given polynomial। the first given polynomial is 5x square y minus 3xy square plus 2y square। okay, I have written here the first given polynomial। the second one is 5y square plus 7x square y minus 3xy square। what? बेटा आ जाएगी अभी थोड़ी देर में, प्रॉपर नेटवर्क एरिया में जाइए आप प्लीज। मैं अगेन इसको समझा दूंगी जब भी आपको वॉइस क्लियर होगी, ठीक है। सो I have written first polynomial in the vertical method। what you have to do, just write like terms in one column only। okay, 5x square y, इसका like term दूसरे एक्सप्रेशन में क्या है, 7x square y। तो 7x square y और 5x square y को एक ही कॉलम में लिखना है। आप जानते हैं कॉलम वर्टिकल होता है, तो जो फर्स्ट कॉलम है उसमें लाइक टर्म्स लिखी जाएंगी, ठीक है। मतलब लाइक टर्म्स को सेम कॉलम्स में लिखना है, मतलब ये है, ठीक है। सो -3xy स्क्वायर, इसके लिए लाइक टर्म है अगेन -3xy स्क्वायर। सो इसको इसके नीचे लिखेंगे इन दी वन कॉलम ओनली। okay, this is first column, this is second one, and in the third column you can see 2y square is written over there, and in the second algebraic expression 5y square is the like term for this, so write it plus 5y square। so what have we done, we have just written like terms together in the same columns। okay, now because you have to add them, just put plus sign in the रो written below। जो नीचे रो लिखी है, जो सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल लिखा है उसके सामने हमें प्लस साइन लगाना है। नाउ यू कैन इजीली ऐड देम, एक्स स्क्वायर वाई इज सेम एंड इन बोथ, सो राइट इट एज एक्स स्क्वायर वाई। 5 + 7 is 12। Again xy square, write it as it is, the variable part. Minus 3 and minus 3 will get added as they have same sign, so it will be minus 6 plus 7y square. If you add them, 2 plus 5 will be 7 and y square will come as it is. So this is the vertical method. Students, this method is quite easy, but in the subtraction of algebraic expressions it create confusion. वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि subtraction में ये confusion क्यों create करता है. एडिशन के लिए ये सक्सेसफुल है, बहुत इजी है और शॉर्ट मेथड है. ठीक है, तो आप चाहें तो इसे भी कर सकते हैं और ये भी कर सकते हैं. बोथ मेथड्स यू कैन डू. सो दिस इज द आंसर. Okay, fine. The D part of question 2 is this: 4x square y minus 3xy plus 2y square and x square y plus 7y square. First, I am doing horizontal method. Okay, so just put plus sign between these two given polynomials. Plus x square y plus 7y square. Okay, now in the next term you have to write like terms together. 4x square y is any other like term is for this first term. कोई like term है यहाँ पे जिसमें x square y आ रहा हो? In the second term it is no. In the third term no. In this one yes, x square y is present over here, so it is positive. Just write its like term with this. So these both are like terms. Okay, minus 3xy. Now look here, in these terms can you see any term having variable xy? इसमें आप देख रहे हैं कोई भी टर्म नहीं है, मतलब इसके लिए कोई भी like टर्म नहीं है. Then plus 2y square and here 7y square is the like term for this. Yes. Okay, now write the variable part as it is, x square y. 4 plus here you can see in second term no coefficient is written, so it is 1 only. Okay, so 4 plus 1 will be 5. Okay, minus 3xy will be as it is because no like term is exist here for that. Then plus y square will come as it is in both the like terms, and 2 plus 7 will be 9. So this will be the answer by horizontal method. Okay, so in the vertical method I have written polynomial 1 first. पहला जो polynomial है उसको मैंने लिख दिया है. 4x square y का सेकेंड पॉलिनोमियल में लाइक टर्म है x square y, उसको एज इट इज लिख दिया. देन 7y square. 7y square के लिए कौन सी टर्म लाइक टर्म है इनमें से? दिस वन, थर्ड टर्म. सो 7y square will come over there. Now you can see only these two terms are present in the सेकेंड पॉलिनोमियल. इसके लिए कोई लाइक टर्म नहीं है, तो नीचे का ब्लैंक स्पेस छोड़ना है. ठीक है, पुट प्लस साइन बिकॉज वी आर एडिंग देम. Now what you have to do, write the variable part as it is, x square y. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. minus 3xy will be as it is. ऐसा नहीं कि मैम इसमें तो कोई like term नहीं है, ऐड नहीं करना, तो इसको लिखना ही क्यों है? नहीं, क्वेश्चन में गिवन है तो यू हैव टू राइट इट, चाहे उसका कोई like term हो चाहे नहीं हो. ठीक है, प्लस 7 plus 2 is 9y square. So this will be the answer for vertical method. Is it clear? So this was the today's classwork. Now today's homework is 23 September exercise 5.3 question number 2, A and B part you have to do in the homework. Okay, C and D part we have covered today, E part we will cover tomorrow, and question number 2, A and B part you have to do in today's homework. Thank you.